Hello friends, welcome, and in this part of electric charges and field, you will learn about different charge densities. This topic is very important for our upcoming topics. Like गॉस थ्योरम में चार्ज डेंसिटीज का बहुत इस्तेमाल है. उसकी जो एप्लीकेशंस है उसमें ये तीनों इस्तेमाल होते हैं, लीनियर चार्ज डेंसिटी, सरफेस, वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी. तो इसीलिए मैं इसको पहले पढ़ा रहा हूँ. यू शुड बी रेडी विद द बेसिक्स व्हेन वी गेट देयर. ऑलराइट, तो मैं जल्दी आई रन यू थ्रू दीज थिंग्स. Linear charge density is what? Linear means, as it says, it is for a line. It can be a straight wire, it can be a circular wire, but it is something, a kind of wire, either it is folded wire or a straight wire. That is linear charge density. Okay, and its symbol is lambda. Then we have surface charge density. Surface, it can be a sheet, okay, which has a surface. It can be a disk, it can be a disk, it can be a spherical shell, but we should have only charged spread on the surface. Okay, चार्ज केवल सरफेस पे होना चाहिए, तो फिर हम वहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी. वी कैन ऑल्सो हैव मेटालिक स्फेयर. वाई? बिकॉज मेटालिक स्फेयर का जो चार्ज होता है वो भी सरफेस पे ही होता है. So in that case we might need only this, we will need only surface charge density. And now volume charge density, when charge is distributed uniformly in the whole solid. So usually हमें इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ती है uniformly charged non conducting sphere, जहाँ पे चार्ज पूरा uniformly distributed होता है. And because it is non conducting, तो चार्ज ऐसा नहीं कि सरफेस पे आ जाए. नॉन कंडक्टिंग में चार्ज ऐसा अंदर रहता है, कंडक्टिंग में चार्ज सरफेस पे आ जाता है. इट इज़ नॉन कंडक्टिंग एंड यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज्ड. इन दिस केस वी आर गोना नीड वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी. ओके, तो आई होप आपको बेसिक आइडिया लग गया होगा. नाउ ओके, नाउ हैव अ लुक एट दिस शीट. यहाँ पे आप नोटिस करेंगे वी हैव लीनियर चार्ज डेंसिटी सिंबल लैम्डा, surface charge density symbol sigma, and volume charge density symbol rho. Because it is charge density, so of course this thing and this will be is equal to charge upon something. In case of linear charge density we have charge upon length. In case of surface charge density we have charge upon area, and in case of volume charge density we have charge upon total volume. But sometimes what you are given, lambda is given. If they give that this is surface charge density and this is length, find total charge, so you need to cross multiply this and you have this formula to use there then. Okay, और आप अगर आपके पास दिया हो surface charge density is given, area is given, and you have to find total charge, so of course you can apply this formula. Okay, simply cross multiply and you will get this formula. And same we have in this. Alright, unit, because it is charge upon length, so that's why it is coulomb per meter. Here it is charge upon area, so coulomb per meter square, because unit of area is meter square. And here it is charge upon volumes, that's why volume charge density की unit होती है coulomb per meter cube. Got it? So far everything is fine, smooth. Now suppose that you have a question that एक wire है and the wire has a length suppose that 20 centimeter. Also charge density is given. Charge density is 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 coulomb per meter. Okay, this is the charge density and you have to find total charge on this wire. Of course this is charged wire. So you know that lambda is Q upon L. So if you want to find out Q, you need to cross multiply this and you will get this formula, lambda into L. Now just put the value and you are just one step away from the final answer. Length is 20 centimeter. Okay, keep in mind that you have to convert this into the right units. And 4 into 10 raised to the power, it is minus 5 and minus 4 because of this 0 thing, and this is total charge. Is it fine? Is it clear? Now we can have a circle of some radius Okay, radius might be 1 centimeter, and some lambda is given, linear charge density. Suppose that it is 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 coulomb per meter, and we have to find the total charge spread on this. This is wire, circular wire. Okay, this is not a disc, this is wire, just wire. So total charge is of course lambda into the length of this wire. What is lambda here? 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3. And what is length of this wire? Of course it is 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14, and radius is 1 centimeter, so we need to convert this into the right unit. And 5 to the 10, so eventually we will have the answer 10 raised to the power, it is 10, so minus 4 coulomb. Got it? Now we have surface charge density. Okay, suppose that the question is that charge of this, the whole thing, okay, charge of this rectangle, suppose that this is 3 meter and this is 2 meter, and the charge of this rectangle is total charge 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb. So find the charge density, surface charge density of this sheet. So surface charge density formula is Q upon A. You must be aware of this formula by now. Okay, charge upon, and what is the area? This is 3 to the 6 meter square, and eventually we will have 0.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 coulomb per meter square, and finally 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 coulomb per meter square. Okay, is it fine? And finally, if we have a uniformly charged non-conducting sphere, non-metallic sphere, okay, keep in mind it should be non-conducting. If it is conducting, the charge will spread on the surface and then it won't be some volume kind of thing. Okay, फिर ये केवल, अगर मान लो ये मेटालिक हो गया तो फिर हमारे पास चार्ज केवल सरफेस पे होगा, और फिर हमें जो भी करना होगा सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी के साथ करना होगा. बट यहाँ पे हमारे पास वी हैव दिस सिचुएशन, ये नॉन कंडक्टिंग है तो चार्ज स्प्रेड इन ऑल ओवर दी सॉलिड. समझ आ गया? सपोज दैट चार्ज डेंसिटी विच इज रो, इट इज़ गिवन 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 coulomb per meter cube. Why cube? Because it is volume charge density. And we have to find total charge, and given that its radius is just 1 centimeter. Okay, and we have to find total charge. So total charge is of course this into volume, है ना भाई? आप चार्ज डेंसिटी में पूरे वॉल्यूम का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इवेंचुअली यू विल गेट द टोटल चार्ज. एंड 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 3, एंड इसका वॉल्यूम क्या है? 4/3 पाई 3.14. ओके, इंटू रेडियस क्यूब, आर क्यूब होता है वॉल्यूम, यू नो वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फेयर 4/3 पाई आर क्यूब. तो ये 1 सेंटीमीटर है, तो 10 raised to the power minus 2 का क्यूब हो जाएगा. एंड बस इसे सॉल्व करना. नाउ वी हैव सिंपल कैलकुलेशन लेफ्ट और आंसर आ जाएगा. तो आई थिंक आपको आइडिया लग गया होगा कि किस तरह से हम लीनियर चार्ज डेंसिटी, सरफेस चार्ज डेंसिटी एंड वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, दिस वी आर गोना नीड इन अपकमिंग derivations, so keep these things in mind, and I'll see you in the next videos. Take care.